Help me disrupt YouTube's algorithm by liking this video, commenting on this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. Thanks. I appreciate it. This Zoom tutorial teaches you how to play Jeopardy with your students on Zoom. To set up Jeopardy, first go to jeopardylabs.com, then go to zoom.com, and in your meeting, select Share Your Screen. During the Jeopardy game, players can buzz in by shouting or by entering their answer through the chat feature on Zoom. Setting up your Jeopardy game on Jeopardy Labs is pretty easy. They give you two choices. You can build your own or you can browse their Jeopardy games. Let's take a look at browsing some Jeopardy games. Jeopardy Labs has over 2 million games. You can find a template on just about any subject. Let's take a quick look at this science game. It has 5 categories. Those are listed across the top: matter, gases, solids, liquids, and clouds. So what we're looking at here are the clues for each of the 25 questions. And what we see here is the actual Jeopardy game board showing each of the categories and the various point values. Here's an example for math. This Jeopardy game is on improper fractions. Here's a look at each of the 5 categories for improper fractions and their point values. For example, a student might select reducing for 100 points. The clue would be reduce 1 3/5. The team or player who comes up with the correct answer first would either shout it out or type it in the chat. That's entirely up to you. It's easy to reveal the correct answer to the students by tapping the space bar. The teacher would tap the space bar to show the students that the improper fraction that represents 1 3/5 would be 8/5. It's up to you how to choose teams. One way to choose teams is to put the participants in the Zoom breakout rooms and then bring them back. This way, you can quickly, randomly select teams. Another easy way would be boys versus girls, or just put them in previously arranged groups. Keeping score is pretty easy. If the team answered a 100 question point right, you click plus 100. As the teacher, you get to decide how to play based on your participants. Traditional rules: the player who answers first gets to pick the next category and question value. If the groups are lopsided, allow the groups to take turns selecting and/or answering. Playing Jeopardy is a great way to give students a chance to participate during Zoom meetings. And it gives you a chance to take a break from Kahoot. Check out my distance learning tutorials on using Kahoot on Zoom, taking attendance on Zoom, Zoom settings for teachers, Zoom meetings using Google Slides, how to play Kahoot at home, and many others. Please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.